Hi there, I'm Joyce. The reopening of Taroko Express route, the inauguration of the new transportation head, the first self-paced vaccination jabs, Gogoro's new venture in India, and the first reusable coffee cups at Taoyuan convenience stores. Here's our top 5 this week. At number 1, exiting Transportation Minister Lin Jialong traveled alongside other passengers on the newly reopened Taroko route on Monday. Following 2 weeks of emergency repairs, the Taiwan Railways Administration reopened the railroad to traffic earlier that day. Lin and Deputy Transport Minister Qi Wen-zhong departed from Yilan at 5:27 a.m. and arrived at Hualien Station at around 7 a.m. They demonstrated their commitment to train safety through the ride. Lin, who officially resigned on Tuesday, revealed that the train ride was very smooth and expressed hope to rebuild the image of the TRA in the hearts of Taiwanese people. He also wished that the MOTC can learn from this tragic accident and thoroughly reform its operations. At number 2, the former political deputy transportation minister officially became the new MOTC head on Tuesday in a swift handover ceremony. Speaking to other officials, Wang Guocai said his top priorities will be to reform the TRA and inform safety regulations. He also announced 8 major policy directions, including completing the infrastructure of Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport and enhancing transportation to and from remote villages. He also expressed hope to boost the tourism industry's transition amid the post-pandemic era and to adopt more smart technologies, including 5G, to monitor transportation safety. Lin Jialong quietly listened to his successor's speech during the ceremony. He resigned in response to the Taroko Express train crash that killed 49 people and injured 200 on April 2nd. At number 3, a Taiwanese citizen surnamed Hong received one of the first self-paid vaccine shots on Wednesday. The Taipei resident often travels to Mexico and Vietnam for business. He recently decided to apply for a jab at his own expense ahead of his next trip abroad slated in mid-May. The business person said he expected possible side effects, but explained that he was more worried about being infected by COVID-19 than receiving his vaccination. Hong told local media that he is feeling fine for now. His second dose should be administered in about 8 weeks. At number 4, Gogoro announced the partnership with Hero Motorcorp on Wednesday to tap into India's growing electric scooter market. The joint venture will focus on the development of a battery swap network in India. The two companies have decided to combine their strength, Gogoro's battery swap system and Hero's manufacturing capabilities, to bring electric motorcycle sales to the next level. This partnership is also poised to strengthen the Indian government's electrification drive and boost demand for electric scooters. And number 5, 2 convenience stores near the Taoyuan City Hall started offering reusable cups to customers on Wednesday. Ahead of the annual Earth Day, Taoyuan Mayor Zheng Wencan visited one of the stores to express his support for the new policy. According to Zheng, the number of disposable containers used each year at Taiwan's 4 main convenience stores has already soared to 450 million units. The mayor stressed that the eco-friendly option will be expanded to 10 stores within 3 months. You can easily borrow these reusable cups at no cost by downloading an app and scanning a barcode on your mobile phone. That was our top 5 this week. Check out our website and Facebook for more. We'll see you next week with 5 more news stories you need to know.